Hi, welcome to Turner Time. This tutorial is on how to remove duplicate entries from an Excel sheet. This tutorial is shown on Windows 11. We are taking this sheet as an example, and we can see that the fourth and fifth rows are duplicates. Let's clean the sheet. Go to Data tab in the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, you will see an icon that is 3 cells with a red X on it. Left-click on it. It will show you the columns of the sheet. You will left-click OK. It will show you the number of duplicates it has removed for you. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 8557-788-4663